No, it's still too big. Man, I really had to mess with that. Oh yeah, I had a black border. That's why. I'm trying to fit to the black box, but I had a border on this. There, that seems about right. Okay. Um, we got time for one more silly little horror game. Okay. Pet sitting. Let's do pet sitting. Does this have a Twitch category? Oh my God, it does. That is amazing. Okay. Windows can go and get fucked. It can fuck off. Goddamn Windows is a piece of shit product. I hate Windows so goddamn much. Run anyway. Fuck off and don't tell me what to do. Please don't clip that one. That was so stupid. Oh, that's the pet. Okay, that's what I'm pet sitting, apparently. Okay, this is gonna be fun. Thanks for looking after the dog. It's a dog, Hellraiser, don't you know? Thanks for looking after dog this weekend. There's a to-do list on the fridge. Definitely say hi to dog first. He's been sulking lately. LMAO. I left ingredients here in the kitchen when you want to make dinner. Okay. He's very fond of this dog, apparently. Alright, where is dog? Oh, there he is. I kind of love him. Make dinner, give dog a bath, put dog to bed, sleep on couch. Okay, make dinner. How do I make dinner? I ask myself that every day. Need food? Put it in pot, right? More food? Food. Uh, what do I do with food? Is there any other food? What do I do? How do I make dinner with food? I don't know how to make food. Well, there's the bath for later. Okay, so it's a nice small. Actually, it's not. The apartment's not that small, but it's grim. That is so rude. That's very uncalled for. He's a lovely creature. Okay, that actually is a bit better. Dog, do you know how to make food? I don't know what I am doing. I don't know what it does. 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 Oh, place collected ingredients there. Put ingredients in pot. Oh, okay. It's actually gonna make me do it. Oh, we're gonna put the whole can. Oh my god. Hello, dog. I. Okay. Uh, do you want battery? Do you want to eat battery as well? Sure, let's have the battery. Start cooking. Oh, look at him. He's so excited for his dinner, guys. Hey, buddy. Can you eat? Eat dinner. Oh, he's so happy. Okay, dog. Come on. Bath time. Hey. Oh, shit. Bit me. Well, that's what I get for taking him away from his dinner too quickly. Alright, what was I supposed to do? Give dog a bath. Probably need water. Probably need shampoo. Conditioner. Oh, brushy, brushy. Drain water. Hair dryer. Okay, dog. Bedtime. Tuck into bed. Uh, well done. Let me get the other door. That way you're not bothered. Okay, and the last thing was sleep on couch. Yeah, I don't get the bed. Dog gets the bed. I have to sleep on the couch. Uh-oh. I should go check on him. Check dog. Hi, how are things? How's dog? Hi, Lamau, everything okay? How do I respond? Going to wake up to that thing eating your legs? Nah, I wouldn't do that. Dog just bit me earlier and is tossing all over the bed right now. What should I do? Yeah, he does that sometimes. Don't worry, he's just having nightmares and needs his sleep medicine. I think I have some in the kitchen. Oh, there it is. Pick up Happy Worm Sleep Medicine. I love how he wrote Happy Worm Sleep Aid on it. Aw, there we go. I can't fall asleep either. I did leave the doors open, didn't I? It's okay, dog will be fine. Oh, hello. Human. Yes, that is me. You look nice. I need your help. Please, I hate it here. I want to escape. Will you help me? I will need a few things from you. I need your phone. I need my sleep medicine. Wait, did you eat some of my sleep medicine? What? What did you do that for? I also need my shampoo and conditioner. Help me pack these items. And I'll leave in the morning. Also, I'm sorry for biting you earlier. Okay, see you in the morning. Yeah, he's talking to me. Dog is super smart, guys. Oh, look at him. He's ready to go. He's got his suitcase and everything. Alright. Shampoo and conditioner. He needed sleep meds. What else did he want? I forget what else he wanted. Was it the hair dryer? No. I also need to borrow your phone. Oh yeah, it was my phone. Okay. Give dog your phone. There you go, dog. You're welcome. You know, your owner's gonna miss you. He even has a picture of you here. Pack suitcase. You're going on your way, little buddy. I'm going back to sleep. I should put those leftovers in the fridge. Yeah, I probably should. Something outside? Oh, look outside. Oh, there he goes. He's going home. And that's pet sitting, I suppose. Oh, this game is great. I love this. Oh, this was worth it. Bye, dog. Oh, his owner's gonna miss him. Maybe. All right. Well, that's that. That's it for the stream today too. Just a nice short one. Just short horror games. Um, I'm gonna find who to raid. Just give me a minute. Graham, I realized I ripped you off. I didn't end up having the drink. Is Chaos even online? Um, okay, well, there's some options here. Novus is playing Children of Mana. Uh, Godric Lionheart is playing Spelunky. Oh, if you just stay in the chat, then it automatically raids you over. It just bumps you over to the next streamer, and then you get the channel points for going as well. So there's a benefit to it. It helps you save them up. I don't see Chaos on my list. Uh, Magic Tea House is doing Baldur's Gate. If you're interested in that, you know, let's do Baldur's Gate. Yeah, let's go Bug Tea. Go on, behave, you guys. Please behave. She's quite a nice person. Anyway, I don't know what I'm going to be on next, but I don't know. Might be satisfactory next time. We'll see. Either way, go on, behave yourselves, but also bugger off. You're no longer my problem now. See you guys. Tell T how much you loved the dog. Tell her how adorable the dog was and that I made you endure that. All right, see you guys.